Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Quickly cleanse to remove oil, exfoliate to smooth texture, then moisturize to plump skin. Once done, tame facial hair or stubble and clip nails. Small details change how light reads your face. Next, choose a neutral outfit and layout tools: concealer, foundation, basic brush set, wig, or headband. Make sure lighting is consistent. Cool white at about 5,000 degrees K reveals true tones. This fast prep creates the canvas for the overnight transformation. Now you focus on shaping. Start with color correction, then a thin layer of foundation blended outward so you avoid maskiness. Once your base is seamless, contour under cheekbones and along the jaw to redefine angles, then highlight high points to lift features. After sculpting, set the look with translucent powder and move to hair. Secure a wig or add temporary extensions for volume, smoothing edges with a small comb. Make sure each change balances with your proportions and desired silhouette. Finish by defining brows and applying lashes or a lengthening mascara to open the eyes. Choose a matte lip for longevity. Once everything is in place, set with a light mist and let dry for about 10-15 seconds. Add accessories that reinforce your new silhouette: glasses, a scarf, or bold earrings, and check proportions in natural light. If something goes wrong, calm down. Blot excess oil, touch up with translucent powder, and use a concealer stick for small smudges. Then reset and you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.